Wow. Yeah.
On YouTube, consistency is key. Post regularly, maybe once a week or more to begin with, and build an audience. As your views and subscribers grow, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise sales. Keep your content fresh by regularly updating it with Siri-generated articles and trending topics. For Facebook, create a page for your brand and share your videos there. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and asking for their opinions. Use AI to generate articles related to your niche and post them on your page to keep your followers informed and engaged.
You can do it!
You can also run Facebook ads to reach a wider audience. Launching a brand on social media requires patience and consistency. Post content that reflects your brand's values and interests.
Yeah, boy.
Use AI to generate articles that align with your brand's message. Over time, as you build a loyal following, consider selling branded products or services to monetize further. Remember, it's all about connecting with your audience and providing value to them through AI-powered content and engaging social media posts. You can also post your article links to get more views like for Medium on your social media. It'll work like a boost for you. So to sum up, picking a trend from Google Trends, finding the right article and rewriting it from ChatGPT, publishing it, and using the same content on YouTube and Facebook? In this way, you can easily earn up to $2,000 in a single day. So what are you waiting for? Just follow these simple steps and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos.